Hello friends, my name is Prabhu Swami and today we are going to learn very important and most useful Excel function which are being used in the corporate world. Go to the Excel workbook to look at the examples. So this table shows the number of juice sold on a particular date. So now we are going to calculate on a weekday how many number of different type of juice sold and the total number of amount on a weekday for a different type of juice sold and the average amount. Let's calculate how many number of juice sold on weekday, that is on a Tuesday, and for mixed flavor of juice. Okay, I'm going to calculate the number of juice. For that I'm going to use count if functions. I'm going to add s because I have multiple number of criteria. So bracket open. Now it says the criteria range. So my criteria range there in the column C, select entire data in the column C, comma, then select the criteria. I want mixed flavor of juice, select, then comma. Now I want the uh, weekday, which is there in the column E. So I'm going to select the entire column in column E, and I'm going to select the criteria as Tuesday. Now just close the bracket and enter. So one more thing, before we copy paste this formula to the rest of the cells, we need to fix the weekday. So just press F4 to make this range fixed. Now I'm going to copy and apply the formula to rest of the cells. Now it is showing on a Tuesday mixed flavor of juice sold is one mixed flavor of juice sold and one pineapple juice sold and two lychee and two apple and seven orange. So total 13 flavor of juice sold on a Tuesday. Now calculate the amount of the juice sold. Okay, for the to calculate the amount, we need to use SUMIFS functions. So when you have more than more than one criteria, so you need to apply the SUMIFS functions, IFS. So my sum, so my sum, so my amount is there in the column D. So I'm going to select the entire column. Okay, comma. Now I'm going to select the criteria range. So my flavor of juice there in the column C. I'm going to select the entire column C, comma, and criteria is mixed, comma. Now I need the weekday. So I'm going to select the column E and select weekday, particular day, right? So I'm going to fix this by pressing F4, close the bracket, press enter. Now copy this formula and apply it to the rest of the cells. Now it's showing the amount of the juice sold, different type of juice sold. Okay, it's showing the mixed is for 100 rupees, pineapple 150, lychee 2, so 240, apple 2, so 300, orange 7, so 630. So overall 1420 amount of juice sold. So now I'm going to calculate average, the same line. So type average ifs, So I'm going to uh, take the average for the amount of juice sold, which is there in the column D, comma, and my criteria is based on the flavor of juice and weekday. So column C is flavor of C. I'm selecting entire column and select the criteria which is there in the column B6. Okay, and now the second criteria is weekday, which is there in the column E. I'm going to select the entire table and select the weekday and make this. Okay, I'm going to fix this by pressing F4, close the bracket, now enter, copy the formula and apply to the rest of the cells. So now this shows, now we have calculated or captured the number of juice sold and the total amount and the average amount. So now I'm going to change the day and see number is changing or not. So click on the drop down list. Now I want to see the number of juice sold on a particular day. That is, now I'm selecting Sunday. See, now the number is automatically changed. So on Sunday, so total amount of juice sold is 20, and so total amount of juice sold is 2260, and the number of juice sold is 20. Let me see another day. Let's check on Friday. Okay, now it is changing, right? So that's it for now. I hope you like this video. Okay, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day.